Hello students, welcome back to my lectures of class 10th physics. We are studying the chapter light reflection and refraction. So based on the chapter, the topic refractive index, we will solve some numericals here. So the first question is, if the angle of incidence I for a light ray in air be 45 degree and the angle of refraction R in glass be 30 degree, find refractive index of glass with respect to air. Okay, so what is given here? First of all, we will write the given data. The angle of incidence for a light ray in air भी 45 डिग्री, मतलब यहाँ पर angle of incidence I कितना हो गया 45 डिग्री and the angle of refraction R in the glass भी 30 डिग्री, मतलब R कितना हो गया 30 डिग्री. Find the refractive index of glass with respect to air. Okay, now how we can find the refractive index? Using Snell's law. Using Snell's law, I can write refractive index is equals to sin I by sin R. Now here it is the angle in the first medium, that is where it moves from air, and the R when it is moving in the glass. So the angle of incidence for light ray in air में कितना है 45 degree, and the angle of refraction in glass, that is in the second medium glass, the angle of refraction is 30 degree. So we have to find the refractive index of glass with respect to air, और वो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा refractive index of glass, and that is with respect to air. Now this sin I, here angle of incidence 45 degree, so it will be sin 45, and sin R, that is equals to sin 30. Okay, this is mu G A. Now sin 45, this you will see in your maths classes, that is in trigonometry, you will see that the value of sin 45, that is equals to 1 by root 2, and the value of sin 30, that will be equals to 1 by 2, so it will be 2 by root 2. I can write it as root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2, it gets cancelled. So this mu Ga, that is equals to root 2. So the refractive index of glass with respect to air is equals to root 2. Okay, now the second question which is based on the refractive index is, the refractive index of water with respect to air is 1.33. What is the value of refractive index of air with respect to water? Here again we will write the given data. So the refractive index of water with respect to air, refractive index of water with respect to air, or we can write it as refractive index of water with respect to air, that is equals to 1.33. So what is the value of refractive index of air with respect to water? What we have to find? Refractive index of air with respect to water, or we have to find mu A W. Okay, now here we have to see that do we have any formula that relates the two? Yes, we have one formula, that is mu WA is equals to 1 by mu A W. They both are inverse of each other. That is refractive index of water with respect to air is equals to 1 by refractive index of air with respect to water. So here this value is given to us, that is 1.33, and we have to find 1 by mu A W. So here this mu A W, that is refractive index of air with respect to water, that is equals to 1 by 1.33. Okay, and when you will solve it, refractive index of air with respect to water, that is equals to 0.75. So in this way you can solve this numerical. So now let us solve one more numerical based on the refractive index. This question is, refractive index of water with respect to air is 4 by 3 and glass is 3 by 2. What is the refractive index of glass with respect to water? So first of all we have to write the given data. What the given data is? The refractive index of water with respect to air. Refractive index of water with respect to air, that is refractive index of water with respect to air, that is equals to 4 by 3, and glass, that is refractive index of glass with respect to air, that is equals to refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3 by 2. And what we have to find? We have to find the refractive index of glass with respect to water, that is mu G W. This we have to find. Now here mu G by mu W, here see this mu G, that is in numerator, that we want in numerator, and here this mu W that we want here also is in numerator. Now what we will do, if I divide this equation 1 by equation 2, I will get this mu G by mu W. How? That is refractive index of mu G by mu A whole upon mu W by mu A, that is equals to 3 by 2 upon 4 by 3. Okay, now here this mu G by mu A into, I will write it as mu A by mu W is equals to 3 by 2 into 3 by 4. This mu gets cancelled. It is mu g by mu w. It is equals to 3 3s are 9 and 4 2s are 8. Now this mu g, here mu g, mu w. So it is refractive index of glass with respect to air, that is equals to 9 by 8. So in this way we can solve such type of numerical. Now let us solve one more numerical based on the refractive index. The numerical is the absolute refractive index of two media A and B are 2.0 and 1.5 respectively. If the speed of light in medium B is 2 × 10⁸, calculate the speed of light in vacuum and medium A. So first of all, we will write the given data, that the absolute refractive index of two media A means the refractive index of medium A, that is equals to 2, and the refractive index of medium B, that is equals to 1.5, and the speed of light in medium B is, that is VB, that is equals to 2 × 10⁸ meter per second. Now we have to find first the speed of light in vacuum, that is C we have to find. Now the basic formula for refractive index, we have mu is equals to C by V. Okay, now we have to find C, and we have to see in the values that what the values are, the values of mu and V given, and it is for which medium. So here you can see this mu B and VB, that is for the second medium, that is medium B is given. So we can find this value of C from the data of medium B. Now this mu, I can write it as mu B is equals to C by VB. So C is equals to mu B into VB. Now the C is equals to mu B 1.5 into VB 2 × 10⁸ meter per second. So it is 1.5 into 2, 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. This is the speed of light in the vacuum. Okay, now second we have to calculate the speed of light in medium A. So we have to find the speed in medium A. Now we have the speed of light in vacuum. So we have the formula mu is equals to C by V, and we have to find for medium A. So I can write mu A is equals to C by VA. We have to find VA. So this VA is equals to C by mu A. Okay. Now value of C is equals to 3 × 10⁸ divided by value of mu A. Mu A is equals to 2. So it is 2. So I can write VA is equals to 1.5 × 10⁸ meter per second. So this is the speed of light in medium A. So in this way we can solve the numerical based on the basic formula of refractive index.